Good afternoon, it's Nola here. I have a kit for you. Actually, I have three. Now, the first piece, and this is all pieces of sari that I have collected, and I just have too much. So I'm passing it on to you guys if you want it. So I whipped this kit up this morning. So this is your base piece here. It's quite a large piece. And then I'll just show you the pieces that I'm putting in. I thought that this piece of a pashmina would be really pretty in that for a base maybe. So if you wanted to use that for a flower for your base or a book or whatever. There, I'll just put it like that. And then I have this lovely piece with all the gold floral. And then I have one of these pieces in each one. And then I have this, a lovely big piece of white. And it's got this, or yellow, it's got a lovely shimmer to it too. So there's that one. Oh, how did I fold this? Okay. There we go. And then I have this lovely piece of gold. And then I have some knotted filet, just because I had it and it looked really good with this. So I realized it isn't the same sort of thing, but I like the way it goes together. And then I have a piece of this gold sparkle. And this lovely big piece with the floral along the edge. Oh, for heaven's sakes, there we go. Can you see that? I hope so. There you go. So there's that one. And then I have a piece of this one in each one. And this is nice because you could cut each one separately if you wanted to. And it's like this without the back on it. And I always leave the back on if I can. I put a large piece of this one in each one. They all have little flowers on them, but it's nothing major. But I like the fabric. It's really pretty. And it goes nicely. And then I have a piece like this. This is very gold and yellow. And then I have this lovely big piece of sari as well. And this is cut odd on the top so that you get the full decorated piece. Oh, that one doesn't want to fold up again. And we'll fold that up. Better than that. Boy, fold much? Not ever. And then I have another piece of this yellow with some silver sparkle on it. And then we have this little strip of beading that you could use wherever. There's quite a few little beaded things on it. And then I'm putting in a little piece of gold lace. Sorry, I'm shaking today pretty bad. There's a couple of these medallions, and then there's a little teeny one that I've pinned on here, little teeny weeny one, gold. And then you each get something like this. The other two pieces are a little different, but it's all the same idea. So these would be the same, and then this piece would just be a little bit different. So I would like $21 for this kit. 21. And then you would have to pay the shipping. So I have 3, and if you put your name down, first come, first serve. So if you want one, put your name down, and I will make sure you get one of these kits. So thank you very much for watching. I am truly trying to clean up this mess. I am doing, whoa, and then there was light. I'm doing everything I can to try and straighten up this room and get some things out to you guys, and little by little I'm getting there, and it feels good. But I'm going to wrap these up in some pretty packages, and they will be ready to go if you want them. So just leave a message below, and that's $21 each, and there's 3. So thanks for watching, folks, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye for now.